Longer term, let's start with
Yes.
Bitcoin as a whole.
Yes.
Does it behave like a growth stock or a store of value? That's really at like the crux of it. And so far, we've seen it acting like the latter, right?
Right. I mean, right now it's doing well, but I still think that longer term it has no yield support.
Right.
It's basically just FOMO. And I think eventually it's going to go down. I think eventually this is going to unravel, that there's really
Bitcoin
nothing
as a
there.
whole.
Bitcoin, yeah.
How
There's
low does
nothing
it
there.
go?
I mean, I see no value in it personally, so it probably goes back to like the 40s or 30s easily.
Oh, 40s or 30s is only, it's not
Well,
as
even-
bad as below 20.
It could get there too.
Okay.
Next ice age.
So then tell me about Coinbase, your call today.
Yeah, so the call today is basically, look, I mean, volumes have been strong. I mean, we said that the hodlers have won. They won Q1. So the volumes were just so strong. Consensus is underestimating, what they're going to put out in terms of revenue by 40%. We had to take up our, revenue estimates and EBITDA. And just to be fair, we had to take up our price target, but we still see massive downside from where the stock trades today.
Right, which is your broader thesis that Bitcoin
Correct.
eventually goes.
Bitcoin goes lower,
down, yeah.
Interest fades, and take rates, which is kind of what they earn,
Yeah.
are going to come down with competition.
It feels like we've been talking forever about how Coinbase has been trying to diversify its business. How successful or not successful have they been in the last 12 months?
Not really, right? So it's basically still just Bitcoin and also all these altcoins, all these yield supporting businesses are not really taking off. Whether it's staking, et cetera, those remain very small and insignificant.
Okay, let me just ask you, because
Yes.
your take on Bitcoin is interesting. Gold, then, do you believe gold will continue to go higher?
I mean,
That
it's
is
been
the store of
around.
value?
Yeah, that's probably been around. I mean, I personally believe more in real estate. You had Adam Newman yesterday here. It's probably a better call. But yeah, I guess gold, I mean, we're used to it. People can, we have like a predisposition to like it. I think Bitcoin is right now purely driven by FOMO.
Okay. Bank earnings, because we saw in this morning's earnings from JP Morgan and some others, some weakness in deposits. Good overall, but at least the beginnings of some weaknesses in deposits. Customers are shifting out of zero to low interest rate checking and savings account into higher yielding products like CDs. But you and I talk all the time about the fintech companies. You've got SoFi, you've got Robinhood, a number of other ones offering way higher APYs. Even my Apple savings account, I think it's 4.5% now. Are they benefiting?
They're benefiting, and I think like specifically on SoFi, which is the bank that I cover, what they're going to do this year, again, my bet, they said that they're not going to grow personal loans. They're going to actually do the opposite and boost personal loans. The stock's going to rip. So they're getting massive deposits. They're giving you $2 million of insurance. They're getting a lot of people coming in, and they're going to offer these people personal loans. That's what makes SoFi such a good idea.
And is that in relation to more regulation coming down the pike for the big banks? Is their win sort of a loss for the bigger banks?
I think their win is the loss of the big, 100%, absolutely, because people don't need to go into the branch, and SoFi offers kind of no branch banking, and they have a great brand. They've got the stadium. What's not to like?
Right. But historically in the stock market, right, they still have a lot of ground to make. A lot of these fintech names haven't lived up to those promises. Right. So is that reflected in their stock price? What's going to be the catalyst? What you just said?
So I think the catalyst, it's a great question. I think right now the stock is really depressed. I think it's $7. They have a $12 price target. What's going to happen? Again, I don't know. But if they actually boost personal loan growth and extend more loans, even though they said they're not going to do it, that's going to create up to 10% upside to consensus revenue and 20 to 25 upside to profitability. That's the catalyst.
Talk about those profit margins, though, because when you offer, 4.5 or 5% APY, that eats into those margins, which is what the big banks have over the fintechs. Do we see more profitable fintechs? Or do they lower those rates?
No, I actually think that I think for SoFi specifically, when they issue or when they originate a personal loan, they get paid immediately, like 5-6% on the loan. So they get $2,000. They make $2,000 on a $30,000 loan immediately, and that's what makes the profits so rich.
Interesting. So that could be a theme for the rest of the year. We'll keep an eye on. Dan Dolev, thank you for coming in.